Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essentials: a working Apple device or a browser, plus the recovery email or phone that you previously set. Once ready, open Settings on iPhone or iPad or go to Appleid. Apple. Com on a computer. This is where your account info lives. Enter an Apple ID if you remember it, or tap Forgot Apple ID to search by name and email. Do this now to narrow options. It speeds recovery and prevents locked-out loops. Next, you focus on recovering the username. Choose Forgot Apple ID on the sign-in screen and follow prompts to search by name and email. Apple will suggest possible ID. Once a candidate appears, check the recovery email for verification messages and look on any trusted device for a login prompt. If two-factor is enabled, request a verification code and enter it. This confirms identity and reveals the account. These steps pin down the correct user. Finally, reset the password. On a device, go to Settings, your name, password, and security change password, or use Appleid. Apple. Com and select Reset Password. Choose a strong, unique password and update it across devices. Make sure devices reconnect and iCloud syncs. If you lack access to recovery options, start account recovery. This can take days, so provide accurate contact details. Tip: if recovery stalls, contact Apple support with device serial and purchase proof to speed verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.